Hi family, good morning. Happy Sunday to you all. So guys, see how rough this plantain is, but it's going to be useful. I'm not gonna throw it. I got my fear. You understand? So this plantain, I want to use it and do plantain pancake. Yes. So because these days nothing is going to be wasting. You don't waste food anyhow. You don't waste food anyhow. I've tried this plantain pancake once. It has been long. So now I'm trying it again since I have the plantain in the house. So let me try it again for my kids. So I'll be using mortar to pound it because I don't have light and no generator. So mortar is going to be doing the work. How are you all doing? Welcome back once again to Adachu's family. If you are seeing our face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. As in, I can see the progress. Our challenge have not finished, and I'm seeing the progress. Understand? It's going to end in praise. Yes, it's going to be ending in praise. Yeah. Even you that is seeing it, can you see how we are increasing in number? We are increasing. Honestly, I'm so happy. Why is this boy shouting?
Don't know.
So keep watching Adachi's family and don't forget to give us a like, drop a nice comment for us, and also share our video. Yes, share our video if you can. Use it and support us. We'll be very, 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 very happy. Understand? Guys, this light is going down. So I just want to quickly do this thing before it will go down. Let me just pound it. Maybe after now, the next part you'll be seeing us is when we are eating it. I don't know if I'll be frying it this morning, honestly. I don't know if I'll be frying it this morning. So I'll be adding flour, so not only this plantain, it's not how they used to do this thing, pancake, yes. So that is how it's being done. Because I'm not cooking beans. Supposing I'm cooking beans, I would have said let me put it inside this. You shift hand this side now. Try to collect that camera, please.
Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it.
Pause it and collect. You don't know when you are filming somebody, you have to. Anywhere the person go, you shift the camera that side.
No wonder you said I should take it.
So I'll be blending it in this mortar. You understand? Hope you are seeing this thing.
Yes.
So I'll be blending. Come close so that I put hand inside this thing. Bring the paste. I shift back. Close that door for me. I don't know why that boy is shouting. Close that door. Put hand inside. That shit. Because this thing is overripe. It's overripe.
Vicky shook your head.
Supposing there is this thing, light or gel, to blend it will not be hard. But now I'm mashing it with I'm mashing it with the mortar.
Pistol.
And the mortar, I'm using a mortar. okra lately. So you not expect cut it or leave it. Have you cut it? So you not expect the one I mash with mortar and the one you blend with blender. Understand? It will not be the same texture. You understand? So, but I want to pan pepper. No diet without pepper. We have to put pepper now. We need to put pepper, not that much. Cut it. So guys, our plantain diet is ready. Understand? Come and eat with us. Yeah. So keep watching. Give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And don't forget to see your girl, your mama, other chicks in the building. Understand? Happy Sunday to you all. Yeah, let's eat our diet. Let me call my children. They're outside playing. Those some bun. This one here. That one bun. I think that was the third one I fried. That one bun, but other ones did not burn. So eat with us.